Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Ready for an unforgettable adventure? Let's dive into the vibrant vibe of Rio's iconic Copacabana Beach. Step into the rhythm of everyday life at Copacabana. Here, every grain of sand vibrates with stories, from spontaneous games of beach volleyball to the soulful strumming of bossa nova guitars at sunset. The spirit of Rio pulses through every corner. Imagine joining a friendly game of volleyball with locals, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin and the excitement in the air. Or dancing with energetic street performers, their colorful costumes swirling as they move to the beat of lively samba music. The beach is alive with an eclectic mix of people, from tourists like you to locals who know every inch of this sandy paradise. And let's not forget the surfers. Watch as they ride the waves in slow motion, their skill and grace captivating everyone on the shore. Nearby, children chase a soccer ball, their laughter and joy infectious. At Copacabana, you're not just a spectator, you're part of a timeless celebration of life. Soak in the sun, take in the sights and sounds, and let the vibrant energy of Rio fill your soul. Ready to pack your bags? Copacabana Beach is calling. Don't just dream about it, live it. Thanks for watching, and remember, adventure is out there, waiting for you. Subscribe for more travel inspirations and see you in the next video. Catch you later, beach lovers.